Okay guys, there's kind of a glare on it here, but this is the pack high roller fireworks assortment. So I'm going to be, you can see what's in there, a couple Roman candles, 3 mines, these are screech owls, they're like a single shot thing, cherry bomb, air bomb, and then some spinners here. So anyway, so I'll be I can get my knife open here. There. My Gerber knife. So just cut it just like this actually. Close that up for right now, and then just gonna set my camera down so if it goes black, just to get this stuff off here. There's the plastic off that one. So, in this assortment, right here, we've got a 8-ball neon candle. And we've got that one. And then we have this one too, same thing. So, get them, and then here's the cherry bomb. Cherry bomb, that's pretty good. It goes up, and that one there, it whistles, pew, like that, and then boom, it blows up. But this one here, this one is good for starting the show, because all you hear is a little boom, like that. When it, well, not really a little boom, but when it first goes off, it boof, like that, and no one really hears it. But when it goes off, it's about 3 times as loud as this one. Bang! Like that. Gets everyone's attention. So I usually start my show off with one of the two. I like starting it with this one because after it goes off, you hear everyone, "Oh, whoa, fireworks starting." So, and right here we got 2 screech owls. They're just like a little mini mine. They just sort of screech as they go up. And then right here, we've got a rainbow mine with crackers, and these are loud. The whistles and the crackers, they're loud. But listen, if you listen, you can hear the crackle, the crackling things inside. So we get that, and then we got rainbow mine with whistles, and then you can hear like the whistlers. And that one. And right here, the blue mine. That just goes up. That's a nice one actually. If you're shooting off maybe like a cake or something, and maybe a couple cakes, and you want to put a nice color in with it, that's your way to go right there. You just boof like that, and it's not very loud or anything. It just whoosh, right up, and then you'll hear your crowd. Whoa, look at that! So I like putting one of them in there. These are, I like adding some of them in sometimes too, lighting off cakes. So then right here we have our Tasmanian devils, which are just spinners. So that right there is the high roller by Mystical Fireworks. If you guys were wondering, I get a lot of my fireworks from mystical fireworks and competition fireworks, so that's where I get my fireworks from. So next I will be making a video on this one right here, the pyro back. So stay tuned.